Hello Avishya fans and Handloom Saree lovers. I'm so happy to be meeting you all today in the episode of Avishya Handloom Saree Stories. Today in the Handloom Saree Story series, we are going to be looking at printed Chanderi Sarees. Chanderi Sarees are much sought after across India by women who love their beautiful feel and the drape and the texture. It's got a semi-translucent look. So Chanderis that have always been special. Chanderis are made with silk, they're made with cotton, but the most popular variety of Chanderi is Chanderi silk cotton, where the warp is in cotton and the weft is in silk. So this combination gives it a very, very lovely drape and a feel. And there are two types of Chanderis. There are woven Chanderis and there are printed Chanderis. Today we are going to be looking at printed Chanderis in today's episode of Handloom Saree Stories. So let's take a look at the first saree now. I'll just open it out for you. This is a beautiful, lovely, fluorescent green printed Chanderi saree. I'll just open out the saree for you. This is the body. The body has got lovely prints. As you can see, the printing is so good. The fabric is amazing. It's really nice. As you can see, if you come closer, you'll find out that it's not transparent, but it's translucent. So it's very lovely. The feel is very good. It drapes very lovely, beautifully on the body, and that's why women really, really love this fabric. And the print is really nice. That's lovely floral print. There are some cranes here, cranes in between, and there are lovely lotus flowers. There are beautiful green leaves. So it's beautiful, lovely printing, and it's really colorful, very, very lively print. And saree is very special. I'll open it out so you'll understand why I'm saying it's very special. You see, this side of the saree has got this lovely green, and if you open it out, the color changes. It moves into another tone of bluish green. So this is a half and half saree. As you go inside, the tone changes. This green is slightly different. Then it moves into another shade of green. I'll just open it out for you further. So it's a lovely half and half saree, and it'll look very pretty when it's worn, because up to half the body you'll get this color, and when you sweep up from the waist upwards, the pallu, you'll get the lovely green color. So it's an awesome combination. And this is the blouse. It's a plain, lovely yellow blouse which comes along with the saree for this half and half saree. And the pallu, I'll show you what the pallu looks like. It's a very short pallu. This is how the pallu looks. Pallu is a very, very translucent striped, vertical striped pallu which comes along with the body of the saree. This is a lovely pallu, and so it's a very special saree because it's a half and half saree. It's got a lovely translucent pallu. This is where the body moves into the pallu here, and then as you move over to the other side, you'll have this beautiful bluish green color coming up. So it's a transition is very, very pretty, and ending up with the blouse, which is a yellow stripes. So let's move on to the next saree. Wow, nice, beautiful. This one is a lovely pearly white Chanderi printed saree. Beautiful prints across the body. Lovely prints. Come closer, you'll see that the prints are really, really beautiful. Very, very pretty. Lovely dolphins leaping in the air with beautiful starfish. It's like a underwater scene, a sea or a aquamarine scene here. Beautiful colors. All the motifs are indicative of marine life. The fishes, the dolphins, the beautiful sea ferns. It's really, really beautiful. The colors are blue, green, red, deep pink. It's really pretty. And the edging has got lovely, lovely tissue zari in the edges of the saree. Both sides have got lovely tissue zari edges. Let me just move this around. Let's see what the pallu of the saree looks like. This is how the pallu of the saree looks. It's very pretty again. Very, very nice. Pallu is a beautiful silver tissue zari pallu. It's really nice, lovely translucent pallu, beautiful, and this sits very well along with the body of the saree, which is also very, very fabulous, very pearly, very shell white or pearly white color with a lovely, beautiful aquamarine life prints. And pallu is very pretty. And then this is the blouse. The blouse is a very, very nice, beautiful serrated edge pattern or a wonky pattern with alternate pink and orange stripes going from top to bottom. So it's a very, very pretty combination of the blouse, the pallu, and the body of the saree. It's really, really nice. It's a very classy and elegant printed Chanderi saree. Let's move on to the next one. Yes, wow. This is a lovely golden yellow with a beautiful pink edging on top and a yellow edge in the bottom. Very, very nice. I'll just open it out for you. Very pretty. Lovely. And as you can see, the saree, even vertically, this is a vertical half and half saree. On the top, you have a lovely golden yellow with beautiful floral prints, lovely flowers, leaves, different colors in off-white and green and pink, with beautiful grey clouds on top. It's really nice. Some birds in the scenery also. It's really pretty. The prints are really, really nice. And then the bottom half of the saree, as you can see, the color transitions from a gold and yellow to a beautiful, very pinkish orange. Very, very nice, beautiful orange. And this is a vertical half and half also. Plus, let's move on to the inside of the saree. There's more interesting stuff coming in the saree. It's really, really creatively printed. Beautiful. As you move inside, the saree transitions to another color, half and half this way, say this is a vertical half and half, like that was a horizontal half and half. Here again, color moves into a different shade altogether. From yellow, moves into a slightly different tone. As you go inside, it moves to a different tone. And the bottom half again is another tone which matches with this one. So it's really, really pretty. Multiple color tones playing out. There you saw the top and the bottom. Then horizontally, it moves to another color tone. The bottom of this is another color tone, but the prints are even, the design is consistent throughout. So you get the feel of the same saree, but transitioning from one color to another color. It looked really pretty when the saree is draped. So this moves on to another color, as you can see. And of course, yes, now we come to this beautiful, gorgeous blouse for the saree. Top half of the blouse is beautiful. It's a lovely golden tissue yellow. And the bottom is a beautiful shell pink with a mauvish tone. It's really pretty. And because it's tissue saree, it looks gorgeous. The feel is so beautiful and it shimmers. Just imagine how this would go along with the saree, the blouse. It's fabulous. It's fantabulous. And now this reveals, as we open out the saree, this reveals the pallu of the saree. This is the pallu of the saree. It's a lovely silver tissue pallu on a yellow background. So wow, amazing combination. The way that the designer has planned this, it's so beautiful. The body of the saree in two halves, then the beautiful blouse and the pallu in silver tissue saree from top to bottom in vertical stripes. It's a gorgeous saree and it's sensational if it's worn. It's a fabulous printed Chanderi silk saree. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed showing you the sarees. These are very pretty, very beautifully designed Chanderi printed sarees, and I'm sure you'll really enjoy looking at this collection. You must come out to the Avishya store. The Avishya store is open in 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We have a fabulous large collection of printed Chanderi sarees with us, and if you come over, you can actually personally select the colors, touch, feel the sarees. You can drape them at the store and pick up what you like. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection is available online, and we have a team online as well, a customer service team online who can help you to select the saree. You can ask all your queries. They'll help you with all the doubts that you have, and you can pick up what you like. So if you really like this video, one more thing I'd like you to do is please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so that you keep getting this in your feed and you don't miss out on any of your videos. And log into avishya.com or come over to the Avishya store at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet, Chennai. Thank you. This month there's a special offer we are rolling out. The month of RD is here, and the RD offer is being rolled out this month. This awesome RD offer from Avishya entitles you to discounts starting from 5% all the way up to 30%. It's available. So please go online or come to the store and avail of this special RD sale offer. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.